Like many migrant workers from Mexico, Jose Palacios is collecting the last batch of crawfish harvested this year.
I am pulling out the traps now. All I got was these 2 bags.
Crawfish is harvested in fresh water, like in this Louisiana rice field. It's a staple, but a seasonal one. When the crawfish season ends, around June, the traps are pulled out and the rice season begins.
Over the last 5 to 10 years, we've produced anywhere between 70 and 100 million pounds of crawfish, with a value of anywhere from maybe $80 million to $110 million.
Louisiana State University professor Greg Lutz has studied crawfish species and the industry for 30 years. The hope is that another type of crawfish, also grown in fresh water, can expand the season and help bail out Louisiana's Gulf Coast seafood industry, crippled by the oil.
We're looking at trying to extend the crawfish season. We're looking at different methods of growing them. We're looking at an alternative species that might be available at a different time of the year.
Here at LSU's Aquaculture Research Station in Baton Rouge, in its ponds and tanks, Lutz is studying another native crawfish.
This is that alternative species of crawfish that we were talking about. They lay their eggs in the winter, in the early spring, and they grow all through the summer. So the idea would be to have crawfish just in time for football season. These are babies, and this little species is called shrimp crawfish.
When they're full grown, they can be up to 10 centimeters long.
A female this size right here could have about 300 eggs, maybe 400.
Lutz is also studying native plants that would be best suited as the shrimp crawfish's main source of food.
All of these pools have different combinations of vegetation that we're evaluating, and they all have baby shrimp crawfish.
He says if all goes right, in 2 or 3 years, shrimp crawfish could become commercial.
So we've got a native crawfish and a native vegetation, and hopefully we can augment the production season for crawfish producers.
According to the U.S. Department of Agriculture, the southeastern United States has the greatest diversity of crawfish in the world, with Louisiana at the top. Crawfish is not only desired by humans, though, it has all kinds of predators.
Everybody eats crawfish, even turkeys.
In fact, the state of Louisiana consumes almost all of its crawfish. But if the research yields results, the ungainly crawfish could become a seafood favorite all year long. For producer Zulima Palacio, I'm Carolyn Presutti, VOA News.